Join me as I put my papayas to the ultimate test and see if they can really grow back after I cut them.
My Jamaican backyard garden, Portmore edition. This is gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Welcome and welcome back to my food forest in container. I appreciate you one and all. Thank you all so much for tuning in. So I've decided to do a drastic pruning on my papaya tree right here. Based on the looks of this seems like it's a female papaya tree because I can see where it's trying to push out blossoms right there. A few more were on there and they fell off. So I noticed that these trees, they are diseased. A lot of black spots are on them. So I have decided to take off the tops. I was giving them time to grow, but you can see they look really bad. I think they need a new fresh start, and so I'm going to try this and see if it will actually work for me. It's quite obvious that they are infected, right? Besides, these leaves, to me, I don't see where they're going to recover from this state. So I decided that I'm just going to cut it down. I think I'm going to cut it to about here, so yeah. All right, so the other one, this one was actually showing me signs as though it wanted to fruit. So what I'm going to do when I cut them down, we're going to take a closer inspection of them. So I've never done this before, but I am willing to try it. The only issue I was having was that I was concerned because papaya, they are hollow inside, right? So I was a bit concerned that if I cut it, then when it rains, what will happen if it won't rot, spoil or something? I've seen a video where they actually use plastic wrap to cover it, the top of it. So I'm going to do exactly that. I have a little one down here that was coming up. This is a volunteer. You can see how it is looking like some sort of disease and stuff. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing with this one as well. I don't mind doing experiment. I am not sure if that one around there is a male or female though, but I'm going to prune it just the same. So I've come a long way with my papaya trees. I could just get rid of them like I had threatened this one. Then I start to see blossoms coming out, but I just decided that I'm going to try this one experiment and see. Nothing beats a trial but a failure to try. So I am just going to try, see how it works out. Alright, so see right here, I'm using this wannabe saw. It's a bread knife. Anywho, so I'm going to cut. Where did I say first? I'm going to cut it right here. Yeah, right here. So you can see inside of it is pretty hollow. So this was what I was worried about. All right, so let me just put the plastic wrap on there. So hopefully it will get a chance to heal properly. without any water getting inside. So I'm basically doing the same thing. I think I'm going to cut this one right where right, let me cut it right here. Alright, hello. Alright, so this is it. Let's see what will become of it. I will definitely keep you all posted. Let me show you the other one. Oh, these were the leaves that I was taking off before I decided to cut it. Was after that I said, you know what, I'm going to cut these papaya. Alright, so this is the other one. This is the one that was very promising, giving us signs, showing us that it's a female papaya, because male papayas, they don't come out with blooms like these or blossoms like these. You see? Yeah. So I'm pretty confident that this one is actually a female papaya. However, this one right here, no, I can't really tell you that this one is a female, but I really hope it is. But because of the looks of it as well and the disease, I decided that, yeah, I'm going to do away with that as well. And see, disease. So I'm going to get these in a bag and discard of them right away. Oh, I forgot. I'm going to cut off this one. Alright, so I just need to wrap that one. So I'll definitely keep you all posted. Thank you so much for watching, and until tomorrow, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.